how to mount this IKEA chair, NORRARYD, because I had some issues. Come, I show. Here it says, at first you do this part, show this part, but when I later on try to put it here inside, it doesn't go. So what I did, at first I put these parts here, then I mount it, make a stop. Here you have to mount these black nails. Do it better with this thin that IKEA has in the set. Is much more convenient, because I tried with the IKEA fix this and it was not going that good as you do by this tool. Also later on, of course, these ones, come closer, these ones would be closed because it cannot turn. So here, yes, you can use normal screwdriver to put this near these ones, but still then in the end I will like adjust more to make it very fixed. With this IKEA tool is very good. Here I used this one because it's very easy and good. So for me the crucial part to make it was that at first you put this so it coincides in this pit, and only after you fix these ones. That's it.